And now we moved from lists. In this lecture, I want to talk about images and how to show images in HTML. I'm looking for an image on internet. Go to the Google Images and type cat image. For example, this one. Yes. And right click, save image as. In desktop, my website, create a new folder, images, and image. Change the name to cat.jpg. Save. Okay. Delete this one. Refresh. For showing image in HTML, use image img tag and then set src equal and quotation mark. In quotation mark, use your address in images folder and cat.jpg. Set your image address and then close the tag. Save. Refresh. There you go. Fantastic. It's too big. Now I can set width and height for my image. Width 100 pixels and height 100 pixels too. Save it. Refresh. There you go. I change the size with width and height. I want to set my image at the right side and use align. And set right. Save. Refresh. Fantastic. Another way to show the image, copy link address. I close this one and open this one. Right click and copy image address. Copy image address and copy here. Save. Refresh. There you go. Okay, you learned how to show image in HTML. I will see you in next lecture.